3-minute English pronunciation lesson. The PH sound in English is F. Photograph. I took a nice photograph. Photograph. Geography. I studied geography in school. Geography. Philosophy. Live and let live is my philosophy. Philosophy. Dolphin. I saw a dolphin close to the shore. Dolphin. Alphabet. Not every language has the same alphabet. Alphabet. Phone. I have a new phone. Phone. Phony. I don't care for phony fake people. Phony. Paragraph. Write a short paragraph in English. Paragraph. Telegraph. In the 19th century, people communicated by telegraph. Telegraph. Amphibious. Frogs are amphibious creatures. Amphibious. Biography. I read an interesting biography. Biography. Elephant. I rode an elephant in India. Elephant. Emphasis. I underlined the word for emphasis. Emphasis. Emphasize. I had to emphasize the importance of exercise to my kids. Emphasize. Autograph. I never asked a celebrity for an autograph. Autograph. Emphatic. The doctor was emphatic about taking the medicine. Emphatic. Phenomenal. The concert was phenomenal. Phenomenal. Emphysema. My uncle had emphysema from smoking. Emphysema. Trophy. Our team won a trophy. Trophy. Blasphemy. In the Middle Ages, blasphemy was dangerous. Blasphemy. Atmosphere. The atmosphere was very happy. Atmosphere. Atrophy. The injured hand was in danger of atrophy. Atrophy. Phonics. My granddaughter is learning basic English phonics. Phonics. Physical. Physical fitness is very important. Physical. Photocopy. Please make a photocopy of the letter. Photocopy. Physics. My friend has a degree in physics. Physics. Physique. The weightlifter had a muscular physique. Physique. Phobia. He had a phobia regarding heights. Phobia. If you're interested in learning and improving your English language skills, check out Grandpa Grammar's English speaking workshop in the description. You can improve your English. You can speak better English. With Grandpa Grammar's English speaking workshop, you can speak better English quickly. English is a bridge to open up the world to you. Better English is the key career success with better English. With Grandpa Grammar's English speaking workshop, click the link in the description to find out more. Better English now.